great opportunity to get to familiarise myself with the local coastal landscape, and I learnt a couple of new things about bush food and bush medicine, which was great. I learnt about native plants, and I learnt about weeds, and I learnt about birds and all the things we should do to conserve the environment that we have.
I really enjoyed the planting. I also did like walking around with everyone, learning about all the trees.
Having us down here and listening to him about all the stuff that he knows, so I can tell people, tell my friends in the future.
Because there's endangered plants and animals living in the dunes, and people live close to them, so it's important to keep them safe.
The sun makes not go up as a stem.
I think humans are the biggest threat to our dune system, and I think more needs to be done on our behalf to put in place like barriers and to educate ourselves on the different sort of vegetation that we need to look after, as well as not to walk all over the dunes. Yeah.
Well, I enjoyed learning about some of the Wadawurrung culture and like bush tucker and stuff. I really enjoyed trying some of the bush tucker as well as planting some of the plants that we've got over here. I really enjoyed doing that.
It was really interesting to learn about all that stuff because we don't really get taught that at school.
Ash was good because he taught us about how they cared for their land and all the native trees and things around the land.
I think just doing stuff like this, like it just makes you feel good, like to make an impact on the environment, even if it's just something little. I feel like that, yeah, even though it's something little, it makes you feel good, and I think everyone should do it because you're making a difference and it makes you happy.